Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at my new setup. This is using the IKEA Linnmon and Alex drawer set from IKEA, obviously. So I just want to talk a little bit about my new setup. Now keep in mind this is not fully complete yet. I am still working on some stuff behind the scenes behind me that will be part of two other setups, actually, a recording setup and a workbench setup for working on computers and phones and stuff of that nature. So in this video we're only going to be going over the desk. These are the IKEA Linnmon tabletops in white with the IKEA Alex drawers in white. They are a 5-drawer unit. The tabletop is about 76 inches long, I think it is. 76 or 78, I can't remember the exact spec. But it's I think the largest one the Linnmon comes in. The desk in total length is about 157.5 inches long from end to end with the two of them put together. So these are two separate desks that I put together myself. They don't come like this. If you order one of these, you get 2 drawers, the tabletop, and the middle support leg. You don't have to use the middle support leg. I do recommend it though to keep the desk from bowing, just because if you have weight on it, like my monitors right there, it may bend in the middle. I've seen some people who don't use them if they have their monitors mounted and such, and it works okay. But just to save it and make the desk last longer, I did put it down there. It is right in the middle of where I sit, and it does come right down from the bottom of the desk. Excuse the carpet, like I said, nothing is done yet. I am just showing you guys the desk, so there are going to be some things that are still dirty. I do have to vacuum and clean everything up. But I wanted to show you guys everything, how I'm setting it up before I have it fully set up, just because it's a little bit easier to show you guys what I'm doing. So like I said, the leg comes down right from the middle of the table. I thought it would be really annoying and I would kick it a lot. So far that hasn't been an issue, it's been fine. So what I'm doing is my PC is down here on the end. We have my 2 Dell monitors right here, my keyboard, my mouse. I wasn't going to use the mat because I did like the white tabletop without anything on it, but my mouse was kind of slow to, the cursor was kind of moving slow on it, so I am using the mat for right now. Wireless charger, my Stream Deck. There are some cables on the desk. Now, I was trying to go for an all clean setup. Like you can see the PC, the cables kind of come out the back and go off to the side. Not a big deal there. These cables right here are just chargers for like my headphones and stuff like that that I use on a daily basis. So I do need to organize them, but they are going to stay on the desk because it's something that I use to charge my headset, charge my phone, stuff like that on a daily basis that I really don't want to put away and take out every time. So we have my wireless charger, my Stream Deck right there on the corner, which is plugged into the keyboard right there so I don't have to run the cable all the way to the PC. We have my laptop right here. That's not a permanent placement for it. I was just running some updates on it, so it was sitting there plugged in because obviously it's kind of far away from everything. So what I am doing, just to give you guys a little bit of a hint and show you guys some other stuff. Like I said, the desk does run along all the way down to the other side. So this is just going to be a little workspace right here. I just have some stuff right there that I was taking pictures for eBay. The drawers are amazing because I can actually put stuff away now. I don't have to have it sitting up on the desktop. For example, over here in the top drawer is where I keep my headphones. Over here in this drawer we have some phone cleaning stuff, my iFixit kit, some phone cases, and my SD card reader. So I'm putting stuff in the drawers down the desk just in order of how often I use it and where I'm going to be using it. So right here, I just got this floor mat down here. Excuse the stuff under it. Like I said, I need to vacuum, but I was testing the size, and I'm leaving it down here because it is flattening out because they come rolled up. So right here, you can see this thing running along the floor. There is a power extension cord under that. Sorry for the focus. Extension cord running under that, and I'm going to have a desk right here. You can see it off in the corner. That's going to be another video. So don't, pay attention to any of this stuff on the floor. But this is going to be my recording setup right over here. So I'm going to have that in the middle with my softbox lights around it, which is what the cord is for. It runs into an extension cord right here to plug my lights in. So it's going to be like a little island in the room. My desk is along the wall here. And then we're going to have that in the middle of the room for recording. And then I'm taking my other half of my old desk that I used, which is the brown one that I had in the middle here that you guys saw. I'm taking the other half of that and putting it up against the other wall, and that's where I'm going to put my microscope and my phone repair equipment and stuff like that. So this is going to be the new setup. It looks a lot better. I really like the all-white desk. I really like having the drawers for storage. This stuff right here is just temporary. It's just sitting there until the other side of the room is ready. It took me about 4 hours to put all these drawers together and get the desk all set up yesterday, so I haven't had a whole lot of time to put everything back on it. But this is kind of how the PC setup's going to look. That's pretty permanent right there. It's just the other half in the back half of the room that I'm still working on. So that is my IKEA Linnmon Alex desk setup, and that is what it is looking like right now. Stay tuned for a part 2 and video of the other setup when I'm done, and my recording setup and all that kind of stuff. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comments section below. And as always, have a great day.